Download and install VLC on your iPhone. Open VLC, find network, and turn on sharing via Wi-Fi. You will need one of these URLs in a moment. Open VLC program on your PC and navigate to Media, then select Open Network Stream. Write your iPhone URL into this line. Connect your phone to your PC with cable and unlock it. Click iPhone shortcut on your PC desktop. Click VLC, and you will open VLC folder on your iPhone. Copy your music file in this folder, close and disconnect your phone. Your music is now in your VLC library on your iPhone. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe if this tutorial helped.